Hello everyone, how to totes back with another new video, and in this video I'm going to show you how to create your relationship status, or how to give your relationship status with someone on Facebook. So sometimes you notice that people just create event like, okay, they are engaged or they are make a relationship with someone or something like that. So how can you do this from your PC? So you can see this is the photos. I'm just going to click here, and then you can see the option three dot. Okay, simply click here, and then a live event, click here. Then you'll see some category here, and among them here is option third from the left side. Simply click on the relationship. Then you will get there are some. So enter your title. You can give anything like hi, or you can title like, you can give like with someone, with something. Okay, or there are pre-made there are pre-made for option new relationship. If you click here, okay, relationship, if you click the relationship, so there is some technical problem. Or you can also relationship, and you have to choose like any relationship or engagement or marriage. Simply click here, then you will title, and you can choose your partner, and then done. If you don't want to reveal your partner, then you just keep it, it's optional, and click done, then you will post it. So complete today's number, and thank you for watching.